Hey everyone! Today we're going to learn how to change the administrator account on Windows. Whether you just got a new PC, you're setting it up for someone else, you're handing your computer over to a family member, or you just want to switch which account has full control, this video is going to walk you through everything you need to know nice and easy, step by step. Because a lot of people don't really know the difference. On Windows, there are two main types of accounts. A standard account can do everyday things like browsing the internet, watching videos, and using apps. But an administrator account has full control over the entire computer. It can install and uninstall software, change system settings, manage other user accounts, and basically do anything on the machine. So it really matters who has that level of access, especially if you're sharing a computer with others or setting one up for a child or an employee. All right, let's get into it. The easiest and most straightforward way to change the administrator is through Windows Settings. Click the Start menu and open Settings. Then go to Accounts, and from there, click on Family and Other Users. You'll see a list of every account that exists on this computer. Find the one you want to give admin access to, click on it, and you'll see a button that says Change Account Type. Click that, and from the drop-down menu, select Administrator, then hit OK. That's literally it. That account now has full administrator privileges. This method works great for most people and takes about 30 seconds. Now, if you're more comfortable with the classic control panel, which a lot of people who've been using Windows for years prefer, you can do the exact same thing from there. Open the Start menu and search for Control Panel, then open it. Go to User Accounts, then click Manage Another Account. You'll see all the accounts listed just like before. Click the one you want to change, select Change the Account Type, choose Administrator, and save. Same result, just a different path to get there. Now, this next method is a little more advanced, but it's also the most powerful, and it's the one IT professionals and system admins use. Right-click on the Start button and select Computer Management from the menu. On the left side, expand Local Users and Groups, then click on Users. You'll see every account on the system listed here. Right-click on the account you want to change, go to Properties, then click on the Member Of tab. Click Add, type in Administrators, and click OK. This method gives you the most control and is especially useful in work or school environments where you're managing multiple accounts. By the way, I've written a detailed article with images for each step. Link is in the description if you prefer reading. Before I wrap up, a couple of important things to keep in mind. First, you need to already be logged in as an administrator to change another account's type, so you need at least one admin account active to make these changes. Second, try not to give too many accounts administrator access. From a security standpoint, it's best to have just one or two admin accounts and keep everyone else as standard users. This way, if someone accidentally installs something harmful or makes a wrong change, the damage is limited. And that's everything. 3 different ways to change the administrator on Windows, from the easiest for everyday users all the way to the most advanced for professionals. Pick whichever method feels most comfortable for you. If this video helped you out, please leave a like. It really helps the channel grow. Subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next one.